इंग्लिश इतनी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है? क्यों लोग इंग्लिश को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं? क्यों हर जगह कहा जाता है इंग्लिश में सीखो, इंग्लिश में ये करो, इंग्लिश में ये वाला ये कर लो, मतलब सब चीज़ इंग्लिश में करो? क्यों हर जगह इंग्लिश को ही प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है? चलिए बात करते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इंग्लिश. एंड यू नो, रियली इंग्लिश इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. If you want to learn English, then you can learn English on my platform, on my channel, The English Jam. Yes, my dear. But today we will talk about why English is very important. First thing is, and yes, it is right, English is very important. Everyone is giving priority to English, and no one is giving priority to Hindi. Yeah, many people in India, they give priority to Hindi also, but most of the people in this world, in this world, India, not world, India, it is very right, in this country it is very wrong, not right. In this country India, most of the people, you know, they think to give priority to English language, because English is, you know, understandable for most of the people, but Hindi is not understandable for most of the people. Only Indians can understand Hindi, but foreigners are not able to understand Hindi. This is reason number one. What? Only Indians are able to understand Hindi. Foreigners are not able to understand Hindi, but foreigners can understand English language, and some Indians also can understand English language. This is reason number one. Most of the foreigners speak English language, and most of the Indians also speak English language. Yes, my dear. And if I talk about reason number two, so if you know, if you will go outside in the market, then on many packets there will be written English, only English, there will not be used Hindi. Why they are not using Hindi? This is very wrong. So my dear, this is number two, this is reason number two. If you will not understand English, then how will you manage everything properly? How will you manage everything properly? Because everything will be available in the English. So this is reason number two. And reason number three, and it is very and most important reason, job. If you wanna get job, if you know English properly, then if you will go outside and if you will apply any form for a job, then many, you know, many people, they say, how is your English? If your English will be nice, then they will give you job very easily. If your English is not nice, if you are not able to talk in English, if you have problem of English, then they will say, they will reject you. So how will you feel at that time? You will feel that, yeah, really my English is not right, that's why they have rejected me. So this was reason number three. I think you have understood properly. English is very important. English is very important. English बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, इसीलिए आप सभी को English सीखनी चाहिए. And you know, my native language is Hindi. मेरी हिंदी भी अच्छी है और मेरी इंग्लिश भी अच्छी है. मेरी इंग्लिश के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलने वाली हूँ, बट मेरी हिंदी तो अच्छी होगी ही, क्योंकि मेरी नेटिव लैंग्वेज ही हिंदी है. and why our native language is so perfect. We will talk about it in another video. That's it. That's it. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.